Hello, my name is Ken Wu and I manage manufacturing here at Pulsa. Today I'm going to briefly talk about our newest hardware offering. It's called the Mediator. It's for use with Pulsa Link, and it basically enables you to retrofit a link onto Anova or Cyl-Tel sensors and faceplates. Doing that, you'd be able to retain your existing sensor plumbing as well as the faceplate functionality. And so the installation should be pretty straightforward. The way we've designed it is so that there's a few sets of matching connectors that are on the top, and you would choose one set of these connectors and it would plug in between the third-party sensor and faceplate. Once you open those faceplates, there should be only one type of connector that would fit, and so it should be pretty easy to figure out which one. And also all of the connectors are all labeled. And then on the other side of that, you would connect the Pulsa Link, and that's it. Again, this is the Mediator board for Pulsa Link. They're available now. Go ahead and place an order.